From artifacts to art attacks, welcome to Museum Strathroy-Caradoc's mini DIY series. Believe it or not, the flower poundings that we will be demonstrating for you today are not some form of revenge against flower kind. Our craft today is inspired by the ancient Japanese technique, and sorry for my pronunciation here, of tadaki-zome. Tataki being the Japanese word for hammering and zome the word for die. This ancient Japanese technique involves hammering of plants to create intricate patterns on fabric. The result is a direct stamp made from the flower's natural pigment. Although we won't be wearing our stamps, let's get started on some paper right now. In addition to collecting any fresh flowers and leaves that your garden can spare, collect paper towel, a hammer, watercolor paper, and some sort of surface like a cutting board for which you can do the hammering. Take your watercolor paper and fold it down the middle, hamburger style. Take your flowers and begin to delicately place them on the watercolor paper in a design that you believe would look nice. Take your paper towel, potentially ripping it to make it smaller as we do here. Press it over top of the flowers. Take your mallet and gently roll or hammer it so that it is smushed into the paper. You can see that these flowers are leaving a very pink reddish stain, which is a pretty good sign. Again, a reminder to hammer very gently. No need to shake the whole table. Peel away your paper towels and check to see if the flowers have left a satisfactory impression. If not, do what we did and continue to hammer. As you can see, we're satisfied with this impression. Repeat the process again, picking a new sort of plant, placing it where you'd like, and again, taking your paper towel and hammering it in gently. As we did throughout the video, be sure to wipe away any flower residue. This is an optional step. but it really enhances your prints. Take a pen and begin to complete little detailing. You can see the delicate stems and the ends of the flowers. Though the process may have felt a little indelicate, here you have a lovely, delicate card done right here at home. Be sure to catch Museum Strathroy-Caradoc's other craft videos right here on our channel. Bye!